Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Rajput Vlog. So today I'm just telling about the Mphasis joining update or something, a new mail received by the candidate, or many candidates have receiving this type of a mail after they have just sent all the offer letter and all the information about the VGB and background verification. So new important mail. So guys, just keep in touch with my videos, subscribe my channel Technical Rajput Blog. I have just 7 days ago I have just considered about the regarding the information that Mphasis candidate receive background verification mail this week, because many candidate who have just submitted all their documents about their mark sheet, 6th, 7th, 8th semester mark sheet and the provisional certificate for the company. After the submission, many candidate have receiving again and again about the background verification and the documentation mail, because the company has just making the batches to onboarding, but after the new joining for the 27th of October of the today for the Chennai location, those who have received after that, there was a no mail receiving by the candidate, but after this mail there was a hi candidate, kindly send your training agreement bond to below address. So there was a mail for the candidate have received regarding the training agreement bond to the below address. So address is mentioned here about the Bangalore location to Kiram and Bhagwani Bird Technical Center. So this is the after you have just some of accepted your offer letter, the offer letter there was a training agreement bond, because this time company has just mentioned about there will be the training will be the online mode, but after the training there will be the offline. For the joining formalities will be completed will be the offline mode. So guys, there will be the training online, so they want the company the training agreement bond to address, because they want the official, they want the uh, uh, hard copy of your all the agreement bond to sign the bond, and they will be returned back to this address. So this is the mail for each and every information I'm getting from the Mphasis, then I will share with you each and every guys. So just keep in touch with my channel Technical Rajput Blog, and for more job opportunities and all the videos for updated new update from the Wipro Infosys, then subscribe my channel Technical Rajput Blog. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.